Want to play Fortnite with your friends no matter what platform they're on? Let's enable crossplay on your PS5 in just a few steps. First, launch Fortnite on your PS5 and head to the main menu. From here, press the Options button and go into Settings. Scroll over to the Account and Privacy tab. Now look for the option called Cross-Platform Play. Make sure this is set to On. Next, you'll need to link your Epic Games account. Go to epicgames.com on your phone or computer, log in, and connect it with your PlayStation account. Go to Account, and then here, go to Linked Accounts, and link your PlayStation Network account. This ensures your friend list and progress carry over across all devices. To add friends, select the social menu inside Fortnite, search for their Epic username, and send an invite. Once they accept, you can invite them to your party, whether they're on Xbox, PC, or even Switch. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy Fortnite crossplay on PS5. Squad up, drop in, and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.